Laser cooling machine CWFL 30000 is designed to offer advanced features while also making 30 kilowatts fiber laser cooling easier and more efficient. With dual refrigeration circuit, this circulating water chiller has enough capacity to cool the fiber laser and the optics independently and simultaneously. All of the components are carefully selected to ensure reliable operation. A smart temperature controller is installed with advanced software to optimize the chiller's performance. The refrigerant circuit system adopts solenoid valve bypass technology to avoid frequent start and stop of the compressor to prolong its service life. 485 rupees interface is provided for communication with the fiber laser system.